So, ran out of time. Remember, get those 15-minute chunks on this program. And so, out of time, we're almost done with the problem, but kind of go through and finish it up since we sort of ran out of time. Um, so you got your delta H values, and we've circled them in yellow, and we just add them up because we know that we met the target equation. So we did what we were supposed to do. So we have the target equation. So if you create the target equation, and we did, see it matches, this matches what we built down here, then we know that we should get it right just by adding up our delta H's. Okay, so that's really the goal, get that target equation built. So let's go ahead and add those two numbers up. And let's go ahead and get our final answer and kind of clean this up a little bit so that it looks good. Okay, so we're just going to take negative 393.5, make sure you got the negative, plus 283, and we're going to get a final answer. And that final answer is negative 110.5 kilojoules. Okay, so what is the answer on a problem like this? The answer is the target equation with the new delta H. So this would be the answer right there. Okay, where do students have trouble? It's simply that they try to do this in their head. That doesn't mean you can't do it in your head. A lot of you guys can. But as things become more complicated, you need the bookkeeping. And also, I consistently cross out equations when I have done something with them. And so I don't want to be looking at multiple equations. I just want to have two. So I've got these two equations, number one and number two, and I just keep rewriting them until I get what I want. But I never leave two or three of these up that aren't crossed out. And I think that's really important from a bookkeeping standpoint. Is this particularly difficult? No. I think it's quite a bit easier than some of the things that we've done, and definitely easier than stuff in the first part of this unit. But it does take practice, and you do know that this will be on the test because it's on every IB test, and it's on every every IB exam, and it's always on this unit test for me. All right, so we are going to stop here. We'll work through some practice problems, and then we will hopefully have a better handle on this Hess's law, which in the day students usually do pretty darn well on this. Good bookkeeping and taking your time, and you'll be fine.